Today, I'm going to show you how to use two Snapchat accounts on your iPhone. This is a great way to separate your personal and professional life or to have two different accounts for different groups of friends. You can do this by using the official Snapchat app. This is the easiest way to do it, but it does have some limitations. Open the Snapchat app and log in to your main account. I am logged on to the account as you can see. Tap on the profile icon from the top left. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Log Out. Tap again to log out. Tap Use Other Account and enter the login information for your second account. After you log to your account, you can now switch between your two accounts. After you use an account and you wish to switch to the other account, do the following. Tap on the profile icon from the top left. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Log Out. Tap again Log Out. On the main page of the Snapchat app, you can select the account you want to use. Tap on the account you want to use. Tap Log In and you will be taken to the account. Limitations of using the official Snapchat app: you can only use one Snapchat account at a time. If you receive a notification from one account while you are using the other account, you will not be able to see the notification until you switch back to the first account. Some features may not work properly if you are using two Snapchat accounts on the same device. That's how you use two Snapchat accounts on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks.